Hi everyone, it's Benjamin, and today I want to show you a customer support space that I've built in Fibery. So let's kick it off by checking out all the databases that are inside the space. First of all, the support agents database, which contains all our team members that are responsible for customer support. In this case, we have Alice, Bob, Dave, and Carlos, who have each of their own different support ticket types that they're responsible for. For example, Alice is responsible for all tickets regarding travel expense and shipment issues, while Bob, for example, is only responsible for support tickets regarding bookkeeping. Now we have our support tickets table next, where we can see all the open tickets. For example, now we have just one open support ticket. Travel expense have not been reimbursed, which is currently assigned to Dave. Now, how do customers report support tickets to us? Well, they use this Fibery web form where they can say which type of issue it is. And for example, we have a shipment issue because the shipment never arrived. Now the customer can submit the ticket, and it should show up in our list of open support tickets. Now, as you can see, Alice has been automatically assigned to this new ticket, and we want to find out how that works. So we have this Fiberflow automation, which is called auto assign an agent, and this one is responsible for automatically assigning support agent to a newly created support ticket. Now, how does it work? Well, we have a trigger here whenever a new support ticket is created that has not been assigned yet. And then the automation does two things. First of all, it's going to collect all our support agents from our support agent database, which are able to process this kind of ticket type. So we do this by filtering on the ticket types. For example, for Alice, it was a shipment and bookkeeping or something else. And the ticket type has to be part of this tickets type select field. And what we're also doing is we sort the support agents by number of open tickets, which is just a simple formula field inside Fibery. And we're sorting them ascending. So what this does is basically the resulting list of support agents. They're able to process this ticket type are sorted such in a way that the support ticket with the least amount of open tickets is on top of the list, which is very nice because in the next step, we're going to update the current support ticket, so the one that triggered this automation, and we're going to set the assignee to the first collected support agent, which will be the one with the least amount of open tickets. So it's kind of making sure that every support agent has roughly the same amount of work and open tickets. All right, so let's try this out. We already saw the automation working with our web form. Now we're going to make things a little bit more fun and actually use another Fiberflow automation, which allows us to create a new ticket via an AI agent. This uses the new MCP server protocol and creates a new tool. You can read up on the MCP server protocol. It's pretty cool stuff on using the link here. And this tool basically allows an AI agent such as Claude to create or to interact with our Fibery workspace. Now, the agent is able to call this automation and provide a ticket name, type, and priority. And then the automation runs and basically just creates the support ticket with a given name, priority, type, and in the end replies to the AI agent that everything was created successfully. Now, let's try this one out using Claude. So let's just create a new support ticket. Hey Claude, please create a new ticket regarding my shipment. The QR code for tracking was not working. All right, let's see what Claude does. So Claude is using this MCP tool in order to create the ticket and has correctly assigned the ticket name, priority, and type shipment issue. Now we can see that the issue was created, And Carlos was assigned because Alice already has one open support ticket. So Carlos was now the one with the least number of open tickets. So he got assigned to this new support ticket. Now we could keep going and create more tickets, but I want to show you one final database that is part of this customer support space, which is weekly reviews. Now the support team comes together once a week and just discusses how did the week go, what kind of support tickets were processed, and were there any issues, and is there any room for improving the workflow. Now these weekly reviews will also be automatically pre-filled using this Fiberflow automation. Now the trigger here is when a new weekly review is created, and we're gonna find every support ticket that has been created in the last 7 days. And then with the update action, we're gonna update the weekly review that just had been created, and we're gonna set an agenda, just gonna pre-fill the description, and we're also going to relate all the support tickets that we previously collected from the last 7 days and relate those with the weekly review so we can quickly go through them and see what happened. Now let's also try out this automation. So we're going to just create a new weekly review, and as we can see, there's already the agenda, and now our 3 support tickets that we just created previously have been correctly linked, and now the team can go over these agenda points and just go through the tickets and see what happened that week. All right, that was basically it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you got inspired and start building your own automations. If you're into automating a lot of stuff in Fibery and maybe the Fibery automations itself are not sufficient, or you have like hit some roadblocks where you need something maybe like conditional actions, for loops, and all this good stuff, find entities as you just saw, you can head over to fiberflow.io and just check out what I've built so far. And yeah, I really hope for the community to pick this up, maybe give me some feedback, and I think we can build a pretty cool automation engine for Fibery here. All right, so thank you, and see you in the next one.